Hey Taurus, how's it going? Hope you're doing well this evening. We're going to do a love reading for the rest of June. Let's take a look into your overall energy as well as the energy coming towards you or the energy of your person. So let's see what comes out. So take what resonates and leave the rest. Taurus, what is your energy towards I was going to say, Taurus, what is your energy towards your person, but what is your overall energy? If you have energy going towards somebody or your person, we shall see. So, what is your energy, Taurus? What is your energy? The Three of Cups, the Princess of Pentacles, and the Queen of Pentacles, and the Knight of Cups. It seems to me that, Taurus, you are kind of planning on how you're going to make things happen between you and your person. This can range from, making more time for your person, listening to your person more, being more emotionally attentive to your person, but somehow you're planning on how you're going to be investing into this kind of energy. So I guess this automatically has something to do with you and your person, not just like your general energy overall. The Magician, Seven of Pentacles, and the Seven of Swords. So yeah, it looks like you're wanting to come up with a way of basically making things really clear with your person. I think you're wanting to have better communication with your person, clear and concise communication. Queen of Cups, Nine of Pentacles, and the Eight of Wands with the Nine of Cups. And this is all revolving around your emotions. And this is all about you opening up from the heart to your person. You're wanting to express your emotions more clearly to your person here. And so you're in the midst of finding out how you're going to do that. Maybe, I think you're trying to, what I'm getting is that you're trying to make sure that you're not giving mixed signals or mixed messages. That's what it is. Because with the Queen of Cups here, I feel as though you have a desire to become more emotionally vulnerable with your person here. Knight of Swords, Death, and the Two of Wands. This is telling me that where this desire to communicate better about your emotions with your person is coming from a place of understanding that the way you're communicating right now has to transform. It's something that you haven't done before. Opening up emotionally and opening up emotionally to the point where you know that your person actually understands and feels what you are conveying to them. You've never been in that space with another person, I feel, with another person in your life before this. Well, Taurus. So, okay. Very good. So you're wanting to work on how you communicate your emotions to your person, because this is something new to you. All right, very good. So we got the Nine of Pentacles. This is your person's energy towards you. Nine of Pentacles, the Four of Wands, and the Death card with the Lovers at the bottom. So I feel as though with where your person is right now, Taurus, they are in a state where they're able to change how, it's like they're able to have the capacity to receive and understand whatever it is that you're wanting to express to them. I think you may have possibly felt like you couldn't open up and be emotionally vulnerable to them with this. And their energy right now is telling me that they are emotionally stable, and with the Nine of Pentacles here, it's like you don't have to worry about them being unstable within themselves. Because I feel as though you probably have a fear of opening up to someone that would possibly you know, somebody that would not treat your emotions with respect, or just be what it is that you need them to be, when it comes to knowing how to tend to you emotionally. Kind of drew a blank there, but King of Wands, Ace of Cups, and the Five of Wands. It's like what I'm trying to convey here is that your person here is emotionally stable within themselves, to where you can feel safe and comfortable in becoming vulnerable emotionally with them. That's what I'm trying to say. So with the King of Wands, the Ace of Cups, and the Five of Wands here, it's like they don't know. They're having an issue on how to open up in love with you themselves. It looks like they themselves don't, either they don't know, or they don't know. It's kind of a challenge for them to present an offer of love for you as well. But I see that they want to. They're very desirous to do so. Six of Pentacles, the Seven of Wands, and the Justice. This is telling me that this is certainly the communication between you two when it comes to expressing each other in love and expressing each other's feelings for one another it's going to be reciprocated. It's it's going to be shared equally between you two. I think that's probably something that you feared the most, is that you feared that what you feel for your person is not how they feel about you. But I feel as though it is. I feel that your person does share the same emotions as you do. It's mutual. Seven of Wands and Justice. It looks like, your person here wants to protect and balance the connection with you. We have the Ace of Wands at the bottom of the deck here. Okay, I liked this reading, Taurus. I will give you some advice here, and we will close it off. But I think, honestly, I feel like this insight was good, was enough for you to hopefully feel a little bit more comfortable in expressing how you feel towards your person. Nine of Pentacles, the King of Wands, and the Three of Pentacles. So I feel as though this is really for your own self. Taurus is just, this is telling me this is telling me to tell you to feel confident in moving forward in building something solid with your person. It's the Three of Pentacles here, but when it comes to matters of love and emotions, I feel as though it's safe for you to be emotionally vulnerable with your person. So I hope that helped, Taurus. Take care.